CNC machining delivers both high precision and exceptional flexibility, from simple structures to high complex parts. But in real production, different designs demand different machining methods. So here comes the question. For your part, is 3-axis enough or is 5-axis better choice? Hi everyone, welcome back to the WayKen channel. I'm Cindy, and today we are taking a closer look at this question together. As you can see, I have a lot of parts here on both sides of me. These parts are used across many industries: medical, automotive, new energy, AI, and more. All of them were produced right here on the CNC machines behind me. You may notice something interesting. The parts on the left have simpler, more regular structures, while the ones on the right are irregular, multi-sided, or feature complex curved surfaces. Exactly. The left side was machined with 3 axes and the right side with 5 axes. So why do we choose different machining equipment? Let's look at a few examples. This aluminum housing is commonly used in battery modules or control units for new energy systems. Its design is straightforward. Most of the machining surfaces are on the top and side with no hidden areas. So 3-axis machining is more than enough, fast, efficient, and cost-effective. Here's another example. The core structural component of the drum frame. Its machining surfaces are uncomplicated and there's no need to consistently adjust tool angles. So again, 3-axis CNC is the best choice. From these 3-axis parts, we can see a pattern: concentrated machining surfaces, regular geometry, and consistent machining directions. For this type of design, 3-axis machining offers excellent efficiency, lower cost, and simpler programming. Now, let's look at the part on the right. The 5-axis ones, their structures are far more complex. Take this curved aluminum part. The shape is irregular and it requires multiple angles adjustment during machining. Plus, those high precision holes means we need better accuracy. For prototypes like this, 5-axis is the right choice. And this one is an automotive light guide and optical part. It requires multi-surface machining and includes many tiny tooth-like features that must be cut using an ultra-small R0.15mm tool. With 5-axis machining, we can complete everything in one setup and keep every detail consistent. So when it comes to choosing between 3-axis and 5-axis, there's no absolute better, only the process that best fits your design and your requirements. At WayKen, we not only run advanced CNC equipment, but also operate in a temperature-controlled workshop and provide professional, customized process suggestions for every project. Our goal is simple: use the most suitable method to produce every part efficiently and accurately. If you have a project and you are not sure which machining method fits best, feel free to reach out anytime. We are here to help.